So today I'm actually gonna playing with Svelte 5, which is it's a release candidate on an existing project source, which is mean my dependencies are slightly outdated. And today I'm gonna show you how to list an outdated list outdated packages on existing uh, node project. To do so, we type npm outdated. And you see all the audited packages that actually needs to be updated on our requirement. But uh, actually, my file 5 is already updated manually. But this is not about files. This is about how to show the audited packages and install them. You see the red highlighted package is actually audited. The current version is like the phenomenal font is at 4.5 and the latest version is 5013, as well as another outdated packages. Now, how do we update those outdated packages? Well, we can use the npm update to do so. This is the safer method to update all your dependencies by the server method. I mean, it doesn't clash with the semver version. But if in any cases you want to update to the latest or major version, I have a better idea using npx, npm check updates and q. That's it. And we can npm outdated. I was still there. So let's update the correctly. Let me clear npx that's q, and then npm install. Okay, let's rerun the npm outdated. I think it's no, sorry. Oh yeah. All the other packages are now been updated. So